Hey guys, missed a set of gadgets for your car? Some of them will take care of your safety, some will improve the functionality, and some will turn your vehicle into something futuristic. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Number 9. The Twist Step is the best way for helping your furry friend to get into your vehicle with ease. This versatile step attaches to your SUV's hitch receiver, providing instant access for your dog. With a simple lift of a pin, it twists to assist your dog to load in or load out from the vehicle. Capable of holding up to 400 pounds on a Class 3 hitch, it ensures stability and safety. When not in use, the Twist Step conveniently stores under the bumper, preserving your vehicle's aesthetics. Its corrosion-resistant coating ensures durability for long-lasting use. By reducing the impact and stress on your pet's joints, it minimizes the risk of conditions like arthritis, leg injuries, and back springs caused by repetitive jumping. Number 8. The Icon Life, a versatile and portable car wash tool, essential for car enthusiasts. With its adjustable water jet angle of 0-40 degrees, this gadget effortlessly tackles stubborn dirt and clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. Whether connected to a water tank or a standard hose, it is designed to work with any water source. Equipped with various brushes, including rotating ones, it ensures a comprehensive cleaning on all surfaces. This car wash gun offers an affordable and practical solution to keep your car looking pristine and brand new. Number 7. Fed up with door dings tarnishing your car's value? Whether it's the mall parking, airports, or crowded lots, this car accessory shields your vehicle from unnecessary dents. Unlike standard guards, Dentgolie's impact-resistant panels cover vulnerable areas, defending against unwanted dents and scratches. Each set includes 2 large weatherproof panels with magnetic strips for a secure hold. Designed for ease, they attach swiftly and full flat for storage. However, they're not suitable for aluminum or fiberglass body parts. Also, each panel has an anti-theft security cord that locks to the inside of the vehicle, ensuring peace of mind while parked. Say goodbye to unwanted dents and scratches with Dentgoalie, a unique solution for preserving your vehicle's pristine condition. Number 6. When stuck with a car on the road, you'd better be noticed. That's where this emergency lighting kit may come in handy. So the kit comes with 4 emergency lights. They're bright enough to light a mile away in 360 degrees direction. All you need is to place them around the vehicle, turn them on, and select one of these several available emergency flashing modes. What's more, a simple magnetic mechanism in a hook make it easy to attach the light directly to the car. The kit also includes a compact bag and a screw. Number 5. Introducing the D600 Dashcam, your ultimate car companion for safety and convenience on the road. With cutting-edge technology, it captures every detail with clarity, featuring 2.5K, 1440p front and 1080p rear resolution, and an impressive 4K Ultra HD capability for the front camera. Equipped with a 170-degree wide-angle lens and f1.8 aperture, it ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. The Jarvis Cam app allows seamless control and sharing of footage from your smartphone. With loop recording and automatic collision detection, your journey is always monitored and safeguarded. Easy to install and backed by a 1-year guarantee. The D600 Dashcam is a must-have for every car owner's peace of mind. Number 4. Set of 12 pieces combination wrenches with ratchet and swivel in 5-1, 16, 3, 8, 7, 16, 1-2, 9, 16, 5, 8, 11, 16, 3, 4 inch sizes. This wrench that will give you the ability to work on a wide range of tasks thanks to the different sizes of wrenches that provide numerous uses. The wrenches are suitable for use at home garages, workshops, and other places where you need to screw or unscrew various items quickly and efficiently. The set of wrenches comes in a special case that can be fixed on the wall or rolled up for easy carrying. This way, the keys will always be at hand and easily accessible for use. Each key in the set is signed and arranged in a certain order, which greatly simplifies the organization of work and helps to find the right one quickly. A set of 12 pieces combination wrenches in a case is an indispensable tool for work of any complexity, which should always be at hand. Thanks to the high quality of steel from which the tools are made, this set will serve you for a very long time. Widely used both for personal and commercial purposes, in the garage of a car enthusiast, at a small service station, etc. Number 3. Portable single-phase inverter for air plasma cutting with contact arc ignition. It is used for fast cutting without deformation of all conductive materials. Steel, stainless steel, galvanic steel, aluminum, copper, brass, etc. High performance despite its compact size and low weight, indispensable tool for car service centers. Number 2. The seasons change. Summer's replaced by autumn and winter, which means that it becomes necessary to replace the rubber with the appropriate one. To keep summer tires from dusting, it is better to store them in special protective covers. In such a case, it is convenient to carry the tire by the handle and transport it in the car without fear of dirtying the upholstery. The seller offers several sizes so that you can pick up the cover for your wheels. The material is polyester. Number 1. The cake comes with 2 bulbs and a remote control. When repairing a car, it is significant not to soil the paintwork or scratch it accidentally with a tool. Repair plates solve this unpleasant problem. They are made of dense material and are fastened with hooks, which greatly simplifies their installation on the car. They are supplied in the quantity of 3 pieces, 2 on the fenders and 1 on the bumper bumper of the car. Our digital engine is cooling down, but your journey is just beginning. Stay connected with us, like, share, and gear up for the next ride.